You have a 40-hour work week, Social Security, a minimum wage, overtime pay. Child labor is illegal. You have all of that because of one woman you've never heard of. Her name was Frances Perkins in 1911. She watched 146 workers die in a factory fire because the doors had been locked to prevent breaks. She never forgot it. 22 years later, Roosevelt asked her to be his Secretary of Labor, the first woman ever appointed to a presidential cabinet. She said yes, but handed him a list first. 40-hour work week, minimum wage, Social Security, ban child labor, unemployment insurance. Roosevelt agreed. She spent 12 years making him keep his word. Men in Congress tried to impeach her, twice. She checked off nearly everything on that list. Every Friday afternoon when you leave work, that's Frances Perkins, every Social Security check. Every child not working in a factory. What would we have done without her?